What's the meaning of cracked wheat? Cracked wheat. Cracked wheat.
Cracked wheat. Cracked wheat. Cracked wheat is a type of wheat grain that has been processed by crushing or cutting it into small pieces. The resulting product is often used in cooking and baking as a nutritious alternative to refined flours. When cooked, cracked wheat has a chewy texture and nutty flavor. It can be used in a variety of dishes, including soups, stews, salads, and even as a substitute for rice or couscous. In addition to its versatility in cooking, cracked wheat is also a good source of fiber, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals.